you
Can you
wanna
give us
sit down?
example of can you give me the ball?
Oh, wow.
please?
Maybe he's jet lagged. That's why.
Yeah.
Basketball skills. Hoy, you dribbled her.
No.
You dribbled this girl. You dribble her.
I only dribble the ball.
No, okay. This is a ball.
Oh.
This is a microphone. Can you dribble the microphone
Ayan,
and talk to the ball?
Whoop, boa. Oh. Oy, oy. Oh, boa. Motombo versus Kyrie. Motombo.
Jamuran!
Yeah, Jamuran! Uy! Oh!
Agawin mo!
Oh! Grabe! Uy!
Jamuran.
Hey!
Jamuran yun, ang daming ikot. Oh, umikot na, nag-grocery pa sa taas. Oh, hang time, 30 seconds. Tol.
Can you beat Jamorant? One-on-one? Oh! 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 Jamorant! Parang umihi aso.
Di ba mayroong magagaling mag-dribble eh? Gusto ko yung mag-ano ka nga, yung exhibition.
Tricks.
Dribble exhibition.
Tricks.
Oh! Parang bigat ng katawan mo. Diyos ko, pabibilin ko lang to na ice tubig kung katim ko to eh.
Kuya Ogie, bantayan mo nga Kuya Ogie. Kuya Ogie.
Hey, hey.
You, I guard
Siguraduhin mo ah.
Oh.
You sugot me,
Ingat, ingat.
Ayan o.
Oo.
O, dahan-dahan ha. Baka mabasag si Kuya Ogie.
Charging!
Charging.
Primary charging. One more.
Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh,
You
oh,
penetrate! You penetrate!
oh, oh, oh. Oh.
He's very good. He's like Kyrie. Very good.
Really?
Yeah!
That's really like Kyrie?
He smells like Kyrie too. Yeah, smells like Kyrie.
Galing naman ni Tito.
Kyrie? Yeah. Kyrie is my favorite.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Kyrie and Kendall, both of them are my favorite.
Hindi, iba yun.
Kyrie yun.
Janner and Janner.
Think, paano ka mag-basketball?
Ganyan lang yun eh.
Ay,
Bella pa. Bella pa.
Football eh. Pang football.
teka lang ha. Ikaw lang yung nagtatrabaho rito, nag-host, pero may cellphone.
Marami kasi
Hanap
siya.
akong lyrics. Di ba minsan kasi biglaan may kantahan, di ko na naman alam. Tapos papagalitan nyo.
Naka-ere na tayo.
Papagalitan nyo ako.
Oy, oy, oy.
Oy!
Who's that?
Jamuran! Hang time, 30 seconds!
Jamora.
Bella, nanditiri ako. Huwag ka masyadong nakatikit. Ayan na, huwag mo lang ako katikitan.
Jamora. Galing.
Pwede yung ganda, ayaw mo kadikit, bibigay na yung bola.